Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to hide following list on your Instagram account. So if you want to hide your following list on your Instagram, you have to watch the full video. Okay, so what you need to do first is open up your Instagram account. After that you have to click on this three dot bar icon right here. Then you have to click on this settings and privacy option. So we are gonna hide our following list from any of your Instagram account user. Okay, so what you need to do is just scroll on, then you have to find this option right here, account privacy. So if you want to click on it, then after that you have to click on this button right here. We're gonna switch to public to private account. You have to switch to private account. After switching this, any of your Instagram account user or friends cannot see the following or followers list on your Instagram. Okay, so this is how you can hide your following list on Instagram. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.